Welcome back to the garage. We're continuing project Multiprobla, the 2010 Ducati Multistrada 1200 that needs a lot of work. So in this video, we're going to be giving the bike a thorough cleaning. It is dirty because it went down gravel roads all the time and it's just got oil deposits everywhere. And before we can put the timing belts back in the engine, we need to make sure the engine is spotless. So let's take a look at the grime. So you can see it just has a ton of dust buildup, probably from the gravel roads, but it's also mixed with slight oil deposits, which is typical of any engine. Inevitably, some oil gets by, so you get an oil mist that just collects dust, as you can see on all the fasteners. So I just want to make sure, especially inside the timing area where the timing belts revolve, you want to make sure that's clean. You don't want your belts to be contaminated with oil and dirt. But also, it just looks bad. I mean, look at the headers down here. They're just oxidized. They're stainless steel, so they can be brought back, but it just looks bad. And when you get all the fairings off, all the panels, you get full visibility of how bad it really is. So what I'm going to be doing is going over most of the bike. I probably won't get to the extreme ends like the wheels, because I'll deal with those when I'm actually fixing components there. Hold on, we've got international affairs going by. Products we're going to be using are a mixture of items depending on the severity needed. So we've got Simple Green right here, which is a water-based cleaner. It's environmentally friendly, it smells good, and you don't feel bad for using it. We also have S100, so I've never actually used this stuff before, but I see it in bike shops and I see it in magazines and everyone says, oh, this stuff's great. So we're gonna see if it is as great as people say. Then of course we got WD-40 brake cleaner and some water to kind of help wash away dirt. Got a storage bin lid to help catch a lot of the runoff. And then over here I've got some agitators, just some hard bristle brush, soft bristle brush, and like a pick to kind of get away some heavier deposits. You can see the left side of the bike's pretty grungy as well. Catalytic converter right here looks absolutely terrible. Again, just dust and dirt built up everywhere. So I think we will make this look significantly better by just putting some TLC into cleaning it. If you let a bike go too long with this kind of buildup on it, it becomes very, very difficult to remove it, and sometimes impossible to remove it without completely refinishing the part. So I think we are, for the most part, before that stage, and we can still turn this around and make it look really nice. Alrighty, let's get to cleaning. that is pretty well cleaned up. So that's significantly improved over where we started. No more dust and grease and oil everywhere. Everything's shiny again. All the machine surfaces reflect back. That's the way it should be. That's the way a Ducati should be. These timing belts will go back in and have less chance of being contaminated with any sort of oil now that it's all cleaned up. And the front of this, it was just caked on with road debris. And there's some chips in the valve cover paint, and that's pretty much to be expected because it's right behind the front wheel, but throttle bodies look much better. Just everything. Looks good. Even up here, you can see the ABS modules there, the battery. I just went ahead and cleaned all this stuff up. Tail section. It was just dusty. Looked bad. So it's a good idea to do this, you know, especially when miles get added onto a bike. It's dirty in places you don't really see, but it's there. So you definitely want to just get in there and clean it up. The exhaust system cleaned up decently well. I didn't spend a lot of time on that right now. I'll probably do that when I'm cleaning the chain and everything. But just getting the engine mainly and all the hoses and stuff cleaned up was the key for today. So I've used a lot of cleaners on all my projects, and usually I'm using like brake cleaner and engine degreaser, and that stuff is really fumey. It's powerful, it works, but gosh, it's just hard to deal with once it's out of the can. But now that I've tried this S100, I mean, they're not paying me to say this, but this stuff is great. I really like it. You just rinse it off with water. It doesn't have a strong smell. It's like safe to be around, and I'll probably start using this more often in the future. It really cuts through the grease, and you just rinse it off, and I mean, you saw the video. It works really well. You can buy it in larger containers than this. You know, this was like $10. Definitely worthwhile. I almost used the whole can to do as much as we did here in this video, so it does go quickly, but it's worth the money. So in the next video, we're gonna fit the new timing belts to the engine and get this engine buttoned back up. So we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.